Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I am doing a Christmas makeup tutorial. So the look I'm going to create today is not exactly my own. It's something that I found on Pinterest, so I'm going to recreate the look and put it out there because I thought it was a beautiful look, and I thought, why not? Why not? So I'm going to begin like always. I'm going to be using Milani eyeshadow primer. Usually I use my Flower Beauty, but I completely forgot that I had this in my collection, so I wanted to try this out. Well, not try it out, I just wanted to reuse it again and remember if it's good or not, because it's been a while since I've been using my Flower Beauty like crazy. To bring it a little bit underneath. Okay, so now that my primer is on my eyelids, I'm going to go in with my Best Friend Duo eyeshadows, and I'm just going to go in with this side right here, and I'm going to take my Alimar Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm going to put this into my crease as a transition shade. So now I'm going to take my Matte for Matte, Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. and I'm just going to go in with a couple of these shades. I think I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to place that on my crease. I mean, not my crease. I'm going to place it on my eyelid, and I'm just going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. It's just this flat type of brush, and I'm going to place this all over my entire lid. Okay, so now that I have that color on my eyelid, I think I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a chocolatey brown, and I'm just gonna go in with this little mini crease brush. This is by Luxie Beauty. Yes, this is the 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm just gonna take that shade and I'm just going to place that here into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to place this shade right here. It's a darker shade with this mini crease brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm going to leave the eyes alone for a moment, and I'm going to do my face off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the only thing I did off camera was my face, and I'm using the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. I can never pronounce that right. I don't know why. I'm in the shade MN3. I also used this powder by e.l.f. This is a finishing powder. I have light medium. I use that under my eye. I use this Sephora Bright Future concealer, and I use that under my eyes, obviously. And then I powdered my face down with the Peach Perfect matte powder. And I used Pretty Vulgar's blush, I think it's Hush Blush, on my cheeks. And then I used the Chocolate Soleil from this palette. This is the Best Year Ever 2018 palette. This is from Too Faced. I got this palette in a planner set that I bought about maybe a year ago. So that is what I used on my face. So now we're going to finish the eyes. And I'm going to go on and line my eyes with this liquid eyeliner. This is by Butter London. This is the Glazing Lustrous Liner. I have it in Disco. I got this in a BoxyCharm, I believe. And I'm just going to make a line, create a wing. So I brought you in really close to do this next step, and I'm going to create a double wing liner, which means I'm going to put these Cover FX glitter drops. This is gold. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I just placed it on top of this clear plastic thing. And I'm going to use this angled brush, and I'm going to attempt to put that glitter on top, not like above the wing liner that I've already created. So I'm hoping and praying that this comes out really good, and I hope that it does not look bad. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I think this brush is too thick. Oh no. I think it's already a disaster. Okay, let me try to find a smaller brush and then I will come back. The only tiny brush that I found is by Aesthetica. This is a eyeliner brush. So I'm gonna try to use this brush instead because that angled brush, even though it was small, it just wasn't small enough. So let's see. Too dang thick. Oh man. Ah, no. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's something going on with the liquid liner that I put here. For some reason, it's still moving. Maybe it's not completely dry yet because it's kind of darkening right there. So let me try to put this a little more in the inner corner. I mean, it's not the best looking, but I guess. This did not come out very good. It came out too thick here, and I'm trying to fix it, but it's just not working. I don't know what's happening. It's way, way too thick. It's okay. The show must go on. So I'm just gonna go back in with this palette by Too Faced, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Trimmed, and I'm gonna take this and with the same angled liner brush that didn't work from the top, I'm gonna try to make it work for the bottom. I'm going to smudge this look. Oh. I'm going to smudge this look. I'm gonna smudge this green color under my lower lash line. Okay, so I don't think I like that one very much. I'm gonna try this other greenish shade called Jolly and just see how that works. Okay, so that's pretty green, but okay, so I tried to fix my eyeliner as best as possible, and all I used was this Flower Beauty. This is a eyeliner and mascara duo, and I used the eyeliner end, and all I did was put black in my inner corner, not my inner corner, on my waterline to try to not, because it looked weird without something in my waterline. So I don't have a green eyeliner because in the look that's what she had, and I don't have that, so I just use black. And yeah, so I fixed a little bit so it looks a little bit better than it did, and maybe I'll try to fix the gold again. Maybe try to put a little bit more gold, but maybe, I don't know, kind of scared to really put anything there. So okay, so that's not looking too bad now. So yeah. So now I'm going to apply some mascara and then we'll see from there. I did my mascara off camera and I used my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior. Really love that stuff. And then I'm going to do a lip. In the picture that I saw, she didn't have a lip, it was just the eyes. So I thought, why not red lips, because it is the holiday season. And I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced. This is the Perfect Lips. I have the color Perfect Red. I don't know if Too Faced actually sells these anymore. Mine is actually super old, but it still works, so I haven't gotten rid of it. And the lipstick I'm using is by Revlon. This is the Love Is On shade. It's a very beautiful lipstick, and it smells really nice. I can't describe what the scent is, but it's a very nice, kind of smells a little bit like a sweet candy, or maybe like a light sweet raspberry of some sort, or a type of berry, but it is definitely a nice smell. And so I'm just gonna line my lips with this. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I messed up a little bit here on the liquidy golden liner thing, but hey, who doesn't mess up on their makeup when they're trying to create a look? And I really hope you did enjoy this. I did try my very best. If you like this look, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because it just makes my heart like this. It just makes it grow big. Also, how cute is my sweater? Look at that. I'm a little elf girl with my little elf stuff. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I will also be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing very soon, and I will also be creating a New Year's Day or New Year's Eve party type of look coming out soon as well. So please stay tuned for that, and hopefully you'll get to see those really soon. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.